Hello, in this video I want to show you how to enable and set up Do Not Disturb mode on VIVO IQOO Z8. To do this, we'll need to open our settings, go for Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls. Inside, scroll down and find Do Not Disturb mode. Right here you'll be able to activate or deactivate it. When it's activated, we can manage settings like calls. That means you'll be able to adjust what calls will be able to reach you, from stored contacts only to contacts to anyone or no one. Then we have messages, and here you can do basically the same stuff but for messages, so adjust them however you like. Apps, here you can add apps that will be able to notify you when you're in DND mode. Alarms and others, there's different notifications like alarms, media sounds, touch sounds, reminders, calendar events that can notify you when you're in D&D, and you can enable or disable them. There's schedules. You can set the schedules for Do Not Disturb mode. For example, one that is pre-made is sleeping, and it works from Monday to Sunday, and it goes from 22 to 7 next day. And when you enable it, you will enter Do Not Disturb mode during that time, and you can create your own events right here. Then there's duration for manual turning on, and you can set it to until you turn it off for 1 hour and set the time right here, or ask every time. Display options for hidden notifications, no sound from notifications, and no visuals or sound from notifications. And there's also custom settings, and you can customize it with that gear icon. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.